Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Silo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video. So you guys, Thandiso Mazwai and Stoan's daughter Malaka Mazwai is graduating today, and it is said and has been alleged that her father Stoan is not in attendance at her graduation ceremony at all. It seems like the daughter meant what she said when she tweeted that men will embarrass you, referring to her dad, Stoan's EFF tweet. When he tweeted to the EFF and tell them to F off, because it seems like the two's relationship has been broken way before. That's what has been alleged. So Malaika was graduating today, and she took those beautiful pictures with her mother Uthandiswa Mazwai today. Anyways, congratulations to Malaika Mazwai, you guys. Now please do share your thoughts down in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.